Hello friends, this is Dr. Bipin Chandra Kalbande and I am going to share some important information about the topic plant tissue culture. So as many of us know that plant tissue culture is not a age-old technology, it's a new technology recently developed. And the father of plant tissue culture is German botanist Mr. Haberland. He conceived the concept of cell culture, that is the basics of plant tissue culture. He gave the concept of cell culture in 1902 when he embarked upon his attempt to culture plant cell. He was the first to consider culturing the cells aseptically in nutrition solution, that means in vitro culture of plant cell. So he was the first one to culture the plant cell in vitro in aseptic condition. That is the basics, basically, which is a plant tissue culture. He at that time he worked with palisade cells, pith cells, stamen hairs, and stomatal guard cells. He cultured these cells in simple organically enriched medium containing glucose and aseptic conditions, but that that experiment of his was not totally successful. He was only able to maintain the culture of the cells, means those cells remain viable for several weeks, but they do not proliferate, and that is also a success at that time. He did not know that to differentiate, that means for the proliferation of the cells in media or in natural condition, they require stimulating substances which are at plant growth regulators, or we call them as a plant hormones, and these growth regulators, were unknown at that time. After Haberland, there are many scientists and important works were done in tissue culture. Some of the important events in the history of plant tissue culture development are mentioned here. In